Good morning, my little pumpkin. Time to rise and shine.
What are we doing today, Mama? Today is a very special day, Pip. It's the Fall Festival tomorrow, and we need our pumpkins. Pumpkins! Can I help pick them, Mama?
Of course, my dear. We'll make a great team. Let's go.
Look, Mama! The leaves are dancing!
They are beautiful, aren't they?
Almost got it.
Let's keep our eyes on the prize, little one. The pumpkin patch awaits. See, Pip? We need the biggest, brightest ones. The ones that sing with autumn cheer.
This one sings. That's a good start, sweetie. But we need ones like this.
All right, little helper. Together we'll move mountains, or at least pumpkins. Careful, sweetie. The patch holds many surprises. Always watch your step.
Like this, Mama.
Perfect, Pip. You're learning fast. Oh my, Pip. Look at this magnificent specimen.
It's stuck, Mama.
We need to work quickly, Pip. It looks like rain is coming.
But it's so big, Mama. And the sky looks grumpy.
Don't worry, little one. We'll get it. We just need to work smart. I can help too. We did it, Pip! Teamwork makes the biggest pumpkins move! Hold on tight, Pip! We're almost there! You did it, Mama!
We did it.
Here we are, Pip. Our hard work will make this festival shine.
Look, Mama. Pumpkin pie, my favorite.
That's it, little artist. A perfect centerpiece.
Luna, Pip, these are absolutely splendid. The finest pumpkins in the whole valley.
Thank you, Mr. Fox.
You were so brave and helpful, my little Pip. I'm so proud of you.
It was fun, Mama. And now, pie.
A perfect idea, my little farmer. After all that hard work, we've certainly earned it.